Is your wardrobe suffering from the relentless onslaught of lint, leaving your favorite garments looking less than perfect? It's time to reclaim your clothing's pristine appearance with the Ruidla Electric Lint Shaver. Presenting the Ruidla Lint Shaver, your ultimate solution to keep your cherished fabrics in impeccable condition. Our advanced USB rechargeable sweater shaver boasts 3 premium stainless steel blades, ensuring the most efficient and effective lint removal. Whether it's your beloved sweaters, cherished blankets, or that elegant upholstery, our lint shaver effortlessly revitalizes your fabrics, making them look and feel brand new. We prioritize your safety and the longevity of your clothing. The Ruidla Lint Shaver incorporates a double protection feature, allowing you to adjust the height for a gentle yet effective lint removal experience that safeguards your treasured garments. The lint shaver is equipped with a honeycomb cover made of stainless steel, which has a smooth surface and does not deform, which reduces friction on clothes and prevents damage. Electric lint shaver. Equipped with safety lock, the device automatically stops when the blade cover is open or loose. Caring for your Ruidla lint shaver is a breeze. Our easy-to-remove lint collector lets you dispose of collected lint and pom-poms within seconds, ensuring your lint shaver is always ready for action. The Ruidla Lint Shaver is more than just a tool. It's a comprehensive solution. It's your secret weapon for preserving your wardrobe and enhancing its longevity. Worried about power? Worry no more. The Ruidla Lint Shaver is USB rechargeable, ensuring you can use it whenever and wherever you need it. No more wasting your money on batteries. Bid farewell to lint troubles and those pesky fuzzballs holding your style hostage. Rediscover your clothing's beauty with the Ruidla Electric Lint Shaver. Get your Ruidla Lint Shaver today and banish lint problems for good. Visit our website or click the link below to purchase it today.